All right, Dan, this is our little scene at the Burgess house today. Here are the duckies. Three little ducks having fun. They're so cute. I'll scare them in the pond for you. There's our ducks. And then we got our friend River here. Oh, the ducks in the water there. And then the stream goes down there. We got Aubrey and Fox and Sherilyn and Sparrow. Oh, and then Phoenix is up in the tree over there in the swing. We got these 3 swings, and then we're gonna put one way up in the. And there's Phoenix Dolce. And then this comes all the way under the house, and that's where the fish hang out.